My memory of burgers? It was McDonald's, mate. Righto guys, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make for you our infamous wagyu beef burger. Look, so burgers is one of those things that I think I definitely love. I know most people love them. It's something that we've always had on our menu around here, and it's something that we'll probably always have at least a burger on our menu the whole time we'll be here. So what we got here, we've got some beautiful wagyu beef. We have it ground for us by Peter Tim's in Edgware. They do a good job. Beautiful product. It's our own blend of meat. Beautiful wagyu fat through it. You can see it in there. There's nothing but meat in that patty. There is no salt, pepper, no sauce, no egg, no binders, no nothing. Just quality products. A little bit of oil, a little bit of salt on the heat. Just one of those meals that when you go out, it's real easy to order because people will be pretty happy. They know what they expect. I don't know, man, with our burgers, we try and make sure that we use good quality produce, good quality ingredients, and we try and make sure that every step along the way we treat those ingredients with respect, so the final product, it's a good one. So we've got the beef cooking here. Doesn't really take too long. It'll probably take about sort of like 7 or 8 minutes. That should leave us with like a nice pink interior. What we've got over here, we've got some beautiful milk buns. These ones are actually made by our friends at Bootleg Burgers or Base Pizza. Rod makes these. We like to cut our buns in half. We always butter our buns as well, just for a little bit of extra goodness. What we'll do with the buns though, real important part of the process, apart from having a good bun, is to warm your bun. Butter it. Bun goes on the heat. Butter will start to melt, and then in theory it'll give us a nice crispy interior with a nice fluffy, soft exterior. So like with our sauce, we make a burger sauce, we call it. It's had many names, but traditionally it's a burger sauce. It's a mixture of a mayonnaise, a homemade mayo, and a few other ingredients that we put in there to make it like beautiful. And it's beautiful and creamy. It's sweet. It's the perfect complement, really. Don't be afraid to use too much sauce either. So we use a real standard burger cheese. Some people call it processed cheese, but it's no more processed than your standard Colby or Edam or anything like that. It's got a colour in it to make it look nice. It melts well, and it tastes like it should. It tastes like a beautiful burger. A couple of slices on top. Don't be afraid to squish it a little bit. Get some of those juices flowing. Get some fire on there, because we all know that fire tastes good. Of course, as you can see, we've got the cheese melting really nicely here. Our burger's starting to drip through. We're getting a few little touches of the fire, which will taste nice. Our buns are crisping up really nicely. It's beautiful and soft. Gonna pull our bottom layer off. Think about saucing it. So this is our burger sauce I touched on before. Yes, you can have too much sauce, but don't be afraid to use it, right? Sauce is the baby. Next, we put on our lettuce, cos lettuce. Right, it looks like we've got some good melt happening here. It's looking pretty good to me. I don't know. I'd say it's going to be quite nice and pink because it hasn't been on there for too long. Also looking for your good ratios. So you're looking to make sure that your meat patty is about the same width as your bun. It's a big one. On top of our cheese, we get our pickles, theme of the day. Pickles, man, good pickles are a big, important part. Salt and pepper, because you can never have too much. Like to get our top bun. Again, we've got sauce here. Nice lather. Voila. They're pretty damn good. So it's hard to eat and look at a camera because I know I've got food on my face. Man, that's exactly what we want. Beautiful meat, not too overcooked, a little bit pink in the middle. Nice sauce, nice pickles, beautiful bum. She's all there.